So here, let me go ahead and show you the materials that you're going to be needing to get started with this. You're going to need a bucket to keep your water in. You're going to need a couple of rags. I've got one right here. It's a clean rag. Make sure you keep it clean. You're going to need another rag as well. And I'm going to talk about this in a little bit, how moist to keep your rag when you're doing your faux. Okay? You're going to need glazes, and we'll talk about that in just a second. A good brush, probably a good 4-inch brush. And if you notice, I've got a brush that's just real inexpensive from Home Depot. I think this one's about $1 or so. And when you take the plastic off, make sure that you just sort of kind of grab the edges like this and take off any excess hairs. All right, it's really important for those type of glazes that are already pre-mixed from your store. You're going to want some kind of a container. I picked this up from a restaurant, from leftovers, or anything like that. It could be a butter dish or something. But I like to have a lid on it just in case I'm not finished that day. I could put the lid on it, and it's good to go for the next day. And then we're going to talk about our paint. Today I'm going to use a type of a paint. This is just a simple little acrylic folk art. These are the colors that I'm using in the room. The type of colors that you want to use, you want to experiment with the colors that is going to go in your room. So pick a wall and go ahead and try a sample piece first from several different colors down the spectrum of what you kind of like and the feeling that you want. And you can always just start that way and then paint over it and be prepared fresh for whenever you get started with your faux, all right? If you don't want to pick colors or mix colors like we're going to do today, you could go and buy a pre-mixed glaze. All right, this is pretty simple to find. You can find it anywhere in your hardware stores. It's already pre-mixed. I think I got this one at Lowe's, and so this one's a pretty good soft look, and it's going to give you about 45 minutes of time to faux with, as opposed to these little simple acrylic paints that are going to be dry very quickly. Okay, so I prefer these. I can mix them myself. I can get whatever color I want, but these are a good start, and they have a wide variety of what you're looking for. You can also go to your local guy and ask him what colors kind of help out, with the accent of your room as well. So anyway, this is your basic materials, and we're going to go over with mixing in just a second.